In the ever-evolving world of technology, a new generation of creative professionals is emerging. These individuals, often referred to as tech creative pros, bring a unique blend of technical know-how and creative thinking to the table. They are the next generation of innovators who are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Tech creative pros are individuals who possess a deep understanding of technology and its potential applications in various fields. They are not limited to a single area of expertise but rather have a diverse set of skills that they can apply in different contexts. Their expertise may range from coding and programming to graphic design, animation, and even virtual reality. What sets these individuals apart is their ability to think outside the box and utilize their technical skills in innovative ways. They are constantly seeking new solutions to complex problems and are not afraid to take risks. Their creative thinking allows them to come up with novel ideas and approaches that can revolutionize industries. Tech creative pros have already made significant contributions in fields such as advertising, entertainment, architecture, and education. For example, they have developed interactive advertising campaigns that engage audiences in ways never seen before. They have also created immersive virtual reality experiences that transport users to different worlds. In the field of architecture, they are using computer modeling and visualization techniques to design and construct buildings in ways that were once unimaginable. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the need for tech creative pros will only grow. Businesses and organizations are increasingly recognizing the value that these individuals bring to the table. They are sought after for their ability to transform ideas into reality using cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, tech creative pros are the driving force behind the next wave of innovation. Their unique combination of technical skills and creative thinking sets them apart and allows them to make significant contributions in various fields. As they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, they will shape the future of technology and revolutionize industries along the way.